welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Excel 3E investment. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Cengage, MyLab, IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Framer, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assessment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assignment, Excel 3 investment. Here is a project description. In the following project, you will edit a worksheet that summarizes the investments for the city of Orange Blossom Beach. Here is the Excel workbook. I have already downloaded from MyLab IT dashboard. Now we will move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is open the file. Open the Excel workbook student Excel 3 investment and download it with the project. Simply you will have to download this file from MyLab IT dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from MyLab IT dashboard. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is in cell B10 to B10 and C10 enter a formula to calculate the total for each column. In this cell you will have to calculate the total. We will have use the sum formula and pass the range and close the bracket and press enter. As you can see that the current year investment are calculated now. To calculate the totals for each column, this one simply you will have to use the function sum function, then pass a range and close this bracket and hit enter. Question number 2 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is in cell D5 construct a formula to calculate the percentage of the total projected investments for the pooled investments by dividing the projected investment for next fiscal year for pooled investment by the total projected investments for next fiscal year. Use absolute cell references as necessary. Format the result in the percent style and center the percentage. Fill the formula down through the cell D9. Here is the statement of question number 3. In this question, you will have to construct a formula to calculate the percentage of total projected investment for the pooled investment by dividing the projected investment for the next fiscal year. Move to the workbook. In this cell, you will have to construct a formula. Equals to C5 projected investment divided by C10, the total. As you can see that the percent of total projected investment are calculated. Simply you will have to drag this formula to the last of the range and then percent the style and center the percentage. Fill the formula down through cell D9 and click on this percentage sign to convert this percent and center align this. Move to the instruction file. Question number 3 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is select the non-adjacent ranges A5 to A9 and C5 to C9 as the data for a pie chart and then insert a 3D pie chart. Move the chart to new chart sheet named projected investments. In this question, you will have to insert a pie chart, then move this chart to the new sheet. Select this range first, and also select this range C5 to C9. First we select the range A5 to A9 and the second one is C5 to C9, and go to the insert tab and click on this and insert this pie chart, 3D pie chart, and then move the chart to a new chart sheet named projected investments. Simply you will have to move this chart to the new sheet, move chart, new sheet name, projected investment, and click OK. As you can see that our chart are moved to the new sheet. Now we will move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is for the chart title, type projected revenue. Format the chart title by applying a word art style. In the first row, apply the second style. Change the font size to 32. Then chart title, projected revenue, and format the chart title by applying a word art style. You will have to apply a word art style on this chart title. Go to the format tab, word art chart title. Then choose the font size 32. Question number 5 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is remove the legend chart element and then add the data. Labels chart element formatted so that only the category name and percentage displayed positioned in the center. Click on this add button, then uncheck the legend and add the data label chart element formatted so that only the category name and percentage displayed position. Data labels, then choose these. Choose the percentage, uncheck these labels. On the percentage and category are selected, then click on the label position center. Question number 6 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 7. Question number 7 is change the font size of the data label to 12 and then apply bold. Format the data series using a 3D format effect. Change the top level and bottom level to the last bevel style. In the last row, set the top bevel width and height to 350 point and then set the bottom bevel width and height to 0. Change the material to the third standard effect plastic. First you will have to change the font size of the data labels to 12. Change the data label size, font size to 12. Apply this and then apply bold and then apply bold. Click on this bold and format the data series using a 3D format effect. in the 3D format. In the top bevel, you will have to set the width 350 and set the material. Question number 7 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 8. Question number 8 is display the series options and then set the angle of first slice to 100 so that the pooled investment slice is in the front of the pie. Select the pooled investment slice and then explode the slice 10%. Change the fill color of the pooled investment slice. In the fifth column, apply the fourth color. Format the chart area by applying a gradient fill using any preset gradient style. In this question, you will have to set the first slice to 100 and so that the pooled investment first slice to 100. And then explode the 10% of the slice. Hundred percent and by explode the 10%. First we select the slice, pooled investment, and explode 10%. Select the pooled investment, slice this one, select this, and explode 10%. Increase the percentage to 10%. Change the fill color of the pooled investment slides in the fourth column and apply the fourth color. The fourth color. The fourth, choose the fourth color and gradient fill. We have now completed 8 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the student from Canada, USA, and many other countries. I have handled courses like MyLab IT, MyLab Finance, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Stats, MyLab Mathematics, MyLab PowerPoint, and many more online courses. If you need any help with this task, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.